Yo, what's up, fellas? We're back on the channel here at the garage. Got some updates for you with some progress on the coyote swap. So we're gonna show you what we've been up to. Let's get right to it. So we got the fenders mounted, front end mounted, front bumper. Got on the best that I could. If anybody knows, you already know the foxbody body panels don't line up the best, but I got them pretty decent. So let's take a look at what we got going on in here. Looks like we got some interior pieces back in there. So we got the center console back in, shifter boot and the handle are on. Got to get the heater controls in there. We'll do that a little later. And we also got the seat belts in. Passenger side seat belt. No, we ain't gonna be running no rear seats, so I put the rear seat belts in, and they weren't even in the car when I got it, so good thing I don't need them. This is what the interior is looking like. Got the headliner. So the next thing is we're gonna move this hood, set it on the front end, and you can see in there, I gotta cut that hole out and spray glue it to the little lip where the gasket goes on for the sunroof. So that's where we're gonna be getting into here in a little bit. Finishing off the new headliner. I'm gonna pull my seats down and get them mounted in there. So that's what the interior is looking like. Oh, we got the horns mounted in there too. I just used the original self-tapping bolts and drilled a hole and self-tapped it to those brackets. Since I got this power steering line, so we still got a ways to go. But it's starting to look like a full car again. Still waiting on parts. So we're gonna move forward with doing more of the interior. So hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Stay tuned for the next episodes, because we got a lot going on, as you can tell. So till then, peace.